All right, for our presentation, we are going to be doing Bayesian analysis of horse racing.
So our inspiration for doing this is we want to know, could Bayesian methods be applied to predict the winner of high stakes horse races with gambling offerings? We saw this is relevant right now with the Kentucky Derby coming up in early May. So looking at our journal we chose was a hierarchical Bayesian analysis of horse racing. This uses a hierarchical model to predict the top speed of a horse in its next race. Our predictors have a large range and they go from distance run over the last 30 days to the previous race top speed. Predict his fastest horse won a little over 21% of the time. So this shows that betting solely on the fastest predicted horse is not necessarily a profitable strategy. And our conditional logit showed that the coefficients for the model were 6.4 for the public odds and a little over 4 for the hierarchical Bayesian predicted speed.
So now getting into the data that we're going to be using, that our data set is over 40,000 observations of horses from races from 2020. We got it off of Kaggle, and our outcome variable is going to be a binary predictor of whether the horse won or not. And the predictors for our logistic regression are going to be age of the horse, top speed of the horse, decimal price, and the racing post ratings.
Yeah, so in terms of our methods, due to the lack of success found in the literature, we attempted to create a new model evaluating more specifically which variables determine when a horse wins. Based on that, we'll sort of expand on how these winning variables can lead to success in picking horses. We'll use a logistic regression model, particularly in the Bayesian context, and predictive methods to analyze our data set. So for our Bayesian model, we have the binary outcome of did the horse win as a factor of our beta 1 times speed, beta 2 times RPR, beta 3 times decimal price, and beta 4 times age. And then to expand this idea, with the field solidified for the 100th running of the Kentucky Derby on May 4th, we will aim to use which predictors we find most relevant in order to pick horses for the next race.
So come back on Monday to see our Derby picks.